You probably clicked on this video because you're looking for a way to update and edit your Instagram story highlight covers without posting the graphics themselves to Instagram stories. Don't worry, I got you. But before we dive into the tutorial, for those of you who are new, hello, my name's Drea. I am a social media strategist, all about helping you break down social media so that it's simple and easy and fun, and so that you can make a difference and move forward with your business. So without further ado, let's dive into this tutorial. Before you start uploading your highlights, you want to make sure that you have them created. So basically you need to design them. The easiest way to do this is to go to canva.com and search for Instagram story highlight covers. And they have a bunch here that you can just use. You can use them for your highlight cover. So I've created mine already. And what I'm going to do is go over to my Instagram. So head over to your Instagram and you can see that I have the highlights down here already. And I have some added already. If you don't have a highlight, you can press the plus option and start your story highlight here if you haven't created them already. After you've created them, tap on the highlight that you want to add the cover to. Once that opens up, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's 3 little dots down here that say more. That's what you want to tap on, more. From here, you want to go to Edit Highlight. Once you're here, you want to tap on Edit Cover at the top here, Edit Cover. And then I'm going to choose the highlight. Now, what I did was I went to Canva, like I said, and I actually downloaded these to my phone. So you can see them here. They're on my phone. What you can do is email them to yourself, or if you have the Canva mobile app, you can download them to your phone directly from the mobile app. So what I'm going to do is choose a little pause. That's the one that I picked. And you can actually see I actually made an error when I made these, and they're quite small. So you can extend them out, but I actually liked them that small. So I've been keeping them that small for like a cute little aesthetic look. But I did want to show you that you can adjust in this mode as well. Then you click done and your little highlight covers are all set. So it should update there. When you click done, you'll be able to see that you've got these branded, beautiful highlight covers, and you can create them and have them look however you'd like. If you loved this tutorial, you will love my free course. Yes, free. You can find it by going to OnlineDrea.com/free so that you can get a really solid foundation to building out a social media strategy that works for you. And hey, make sure you subscribe. I've got more tutorials just like this one coming up soon. Bye for now.